Alright, today we are reviewing the TRIXIE Dog Activity Box, Poker Box number 1. That's just an empty box and they're super excited. Get down, down! We have shredded cheese inside. Hold that, sir. 4 compartments. Slide, lift, pull out the drawer, and flip it open. And let's see how they do. Wait. That's Talon, and that's Igor. Oh, already in the first compartment. Once again, shredded cheese makes the perfect hide item for dogs. It's pretty healthy for them, and it fits in small places, and it's not too expensive to just put a little shredded cheese in there. Oh, good boy, Igor. He pulled out the drawer. Good job. Oh, she got the lift. And there's one more. And actually, the last one's probably the easiest one because it's just a flip. Yep, she did it in like 1 second. Did you see that? Good job. Good job, Igor. Good job.